in this particular tutorial. What I'm not trying to show you is how to color grade. What I'm trying to do is to show you how to add adjustment layers. I've got a timeline here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on the video, and I don't need the audio. So I'm just going to select the video portion here. If I wanted both the audio and the video, I would drag from here, drag it to the timeline. So like this, then I would have the audio and video. I'm going to delete, but I only want the video. So I'm going to click on the drag video only and drag it to the timeline. What I've got here is I've just got some boys playing football or soccer or whatever you want to call it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to this little icon right here that says new item. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to choose adjustment layer right here. When I do so, I will get this box. I'm just going to click OK. If I wanted to rename the adjustment layer, I can click and then rename the adjustment layer, but I'm going to select the adjustment layer and drag it on top of the video. And what I can do is stretch this out if the adjustment layer is too long and drag it back. And I'm going to make it a little bigger. What I then tend to do with the adjustment layer is I then tend to go into the color panel. So if I click here and then go down to color, and then what I will do is I will select the adjustment layer before I start working with the video. I will then come up to the white balance here, and I'll try to pick something that's white. And that's why I tend to always shoot with something white in the frame first. I will pick something that's a little white here. And you notice that, and then you can drag the temperature down a little. But again, this is not about color grading. This is strictly about using adjustment layers. From here, you can then add whatever adjustments you want to that particular video. And the beauty of this is that you can turn it off. So you can actually turn it on and see exactly what you've done and what you haven't done. All right, this has been a quick video on how to add adjustment layers and use adjustment layers to add contrast or to color grade or white balance your video.